Good evening, teacher. My first date at work. Hello, everyone. My name is Jennifer Chiara Estrada Miranda. It is my first day of work here, and I am very happy to meet you all. I am from Peru, and I am Peruvian. I live in Lima, and I am 23 years old. I would like to tell you a little about myself and my preference. First, I love Peruvian food, especially ceviche and lomo saltado. I also like eating pizza and hamburgers. However, I dislike eating very spicy food and I hate drinking coffee. In my free time, I love listening to pop music and I like listening to music with my friends. I dislike listening to very loud music, but I love dancing and singing. I also have some favorite activities. I like watching movies and going out with my friends. I love traveling and taking pictures. I dislike waking up early on weekends, and I hate waiting in long lines. That's a little about me. I am very happy to be here, and I hope we can become go friends. Thank you, teacher.